Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Here's teacher Amina with new maths lesson. Today we will learn new things in maths. Are you all ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, today we will sing number song first. Okay, everybody sing with me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Well done. Okay, children, today we will learn a new number and it is number 9. Look at this. This is number 9. Which number is this? Number 9. And you can see here are different things. Here apples, fish, buttons and ladybugs. Okay, we will count them. First of all, we will count apples. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 apples. Now, here are fish. You can see fish. And we will count how many fish are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 fish. Very good. Okay, now you can see here are ladybugs. How many ladybugs are here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 ladybugs. Yes, very good. Okay, now here are buttons. You can see buttons are here. Okay, let's count the buttons. How many buttons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 buttons. Okay, children, my lesson is finished. I hope you will revise this lesson at home. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
हो गया